Alright, so market recap and trade recap from Tuesday, January 13th, second week of 2026. Finally took my fifth winning day today and was able to secure a payout. Market hasn't closed yet, so I haven't gotten the confirmation, but I made over $100. I got like it was a $300 win, just something light that I took in Asia. Then I'll just break down really quick right here. Basically, I just saw a 15-minute order block with EL after we tapped into a 4-hour gap. But the big key was the 1-hour flip to bearish. So we had 4-hour and 1-hour aligning, and then we had this 15-minute order block, which we had a nice little like AMD into a little bit. But yeah, no, we had this with EL, which got hit here. Which got taken. So this was my level here, 86350. But I waited for a candle to close above, and then stop went 5 points, and then we came up and then created SMT. So I was like, I should have added in here, to be honest. After the SMT and this bullish candle, I should have added in, but I didn't. And then my target was, there's an unfilled hourly up here. That was my target, so something like it was like that, like 1 to 6. Pretty clean. Only had 5 micros, so that's why I didn't make that much. But it's a win. A win's a win. But back to today. So coming into the day, today ended up being a pretty weird and shitty day, to be honest. But higher time frame, I had previous day high as a draw, and then we tapped into this 4-hour, but I wanted to see a deeper, tap into it. So, and this candle closed bearish as well, so I wanted to see that get taken. So ideally, I want to see, price trade around or whatever, go lower, take this low, and then go to previous day high. But we ended up taking previous day high with CPI. And then price it was max expansion from this low, and the deviation from the 4-hour candle, the 2s aligned there. And I know hella people got break even, trying to long to data high, which there was a good setup that I didn't take that I could have. Powell and Luke took it. But we had data high, market opened, and we manipulated down. We swept out this low, tapped into this NWOG here, which makes it valid, manipulation. So then you could have just simply taken the wick CE, in this case hits, for just the start of the wick, which I believe Powell did, and target data high. Yeah, you would have definitely got stop and profit. I would have moved my stops like here, to this, probably. Powell trailed really aggressively, but I decided not to. Once this high got closed above, you could trail pretty aggressively, but yeah, that was like one of the trades you could have taken. Then we had my blue key level, which I gave in the morning, which was kind of, you could have taken this trade, could have not. It was kind of sucks because this deviation kind of got invalidated when this high got taken. But it hit, and it gave an SMT, and it gave an inverse, and, it did print longs. There were these 2 random ass candles, though, for like 40 points, which was very strange. So that was that. But at the end of the day, previous day high and this low and this low, these black lines were my draws for the day, and all of them I got hit. They just got hit in the opposite order. I wanted to see these two get hit, then previously high, but previously high got hit first, and then these two got hit. So yeah, I mean, nothing crazy. Got my draw on Cody Wright today. It's just a really weird, choppy day, to be honest. Kind of sucked. This is definitely a pretty clean draw for me. I mean, relative equal highs with data high. I mean, that's pretty obvious draw for me personally. But yeah, that's it for today's market recap.